Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dodge in Red Dead Redemption 2. Dodging is a crucial skill that allows you to evade enemy attacks, giving you a significant advantage in gunfights and close-quarters combat. By mastering this simple yet effective maneuver, you can minimize damage taken, create opportunities for powerful counterattacks, and maintain better control over the battlefield. We'll break down the exact steps to perform a dodge and discuss when to best utilize it for maximum impact against your foes. Let's dive right in and enhance your combat prowess. To perform a dodge, first, you need to be aiming your weapon. So, hold down your aim button, which is usually L2 on PlayStation consoles or LT on Xbox. While still holding aim, press the dodge button. This is the X button for PlayStation users and the A button for those on Xbox. Crucially, as you press the dodge button, simultaneously push your left analog stick in the direction you wish to dodge. This combination of 3 actions will execute a quick, evasive maneuver, helping you sidestep danger. Timing is absolutely everything when it comes to effective dodging. You want to initiate your dodge just as an enemy's attack is about to connect. This precise timing allows you to completely avoid damage and often leaves your opponent vulnerable for a brief moment. It's incredibly effective against both close-range melee attacks and incoming projectiles like bullets or arrows. Don't be afraid to practice this in less critical situations, perhaps against a single foe, to really get a feel for the rhythm and build that essential muscle memory. Beyond simply avoiding damage, dodging offers several key benefits. For a very brief window, you gain a moment of invulnerability, allowing you to shrug off attacks that would otherwise hit. It's also fantastic for quick repositioning, letting you swiftly move to better cover or gain a superior firing angle on your adversaries. For an advanced tip, try combining a dodge with your Dead-Eye ability. This can set up incredibly precise and devastating counterattacks, turning a defensive move into an offensive opportunity. Master the dodge, and you'll significantly elevate your combat game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.